Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to everyone. Okay, so welcome back to our class. So for today's class, we're going to look into new chapter, okay, which is chapter 6, linear inequalities in two variables. Okay. Okay. So for the first subtopic, okay, there are few symbols that you need to aware. Okay. Okay, so this is the first symbols. Okay, if you tend to find these symbols, okay, it actually means, okay, more than or equal to, okay, at least, not less than or minimum. Okay, if you encounter this 1, 2, 3, 4 words, okay, it actually means these symbols. Okay, and then less than or equal to, at most, not more than, maximum, okay, you will use these symbols. Okay, and then for more than, these symbols, and these symbols is for less than. Okay, so let's look at the first part. Okay, represent each of the following, okay, situation in the form of linear inequalities using the appropriate variables. Okay, so for examples, okay, all classes at MRSM Muka combine male and female students with the condition that the number of students in each class is not more than 35 students. Okay, so kita letkan dulu contoh X is male students, Y is female students. Okay, so keyword di sini not more than. Okay, so kalau kita tengok balik tadi, okay, mana not more than? Okay, not more than, tidak lebih daripada. Okay, so kita akan gunakan simbol ini. Okay, maksud dia tak boleh lebih lah. Okay, so di sini kita boleh katakan, okay, lelaki X plus Y, perempuan, tak boleh lebih daripada 35. Dia boleh 35, tapi dia tak boleh 36. Itu maksud dia. Okay. Okay, kita tengok nombor 1. Okay, in a bus heading to Cameron Highlands, there were less than 40 passengers consisting of child and adult passenger. Okay, di sini kita ada keyword less than 40. Okay, lepas tu kita ada child and adult. Okay, so apa yang kita boleh buat? Okay, kita boleh labelkan. Okay, for example, child is X, adult is Y. Okay, so we can say that X plus Y, okay, child plus adult is less than 40, less than, kurang daripada 40. Okay, boleh? Okay, next, number 2. Okay, everyday maksum sells not less than. Okay, kita highlightkan not less than, tidak kurang. Okay, 100 pieces of curry puff and kuih keria in front of her house. Okay, di sini pun kita ada dua kuih, satu curry puff, satu kuih keria. So apa kita boleh buat? Kita boleh labelkan. Okay, for example, curry puff is X, kuih keria is Y. Okay, so we have X plus Y. Okay, not less than. Okay, not less than. Kita tengok balik kita punya nota tadi. Not less than. Ini. Okay, tidak kurang daripada, dia mesti lebih. So kita pakai simbol ini. Okay, so not less than, lebih besar atau sama dengan 100 pieces. Okay, next. Okay, number 3. There were several pieces of red and green paper. So ada dua kan? So kita ada red and green. Okay, on Puan Ifah's desk. Given that the number of red paper is more than the number of green paper. Kita tahu merah adalah lebih daripada hijau. Okay, so kita boleh katakan, kita labelkan dulu. For example, red saya tulis sebagai R, green saya tulis sebagai G. Okay, so red is more than green. Boleh? Okay, next, number 4. In an online mathematics quiz, Alif will get 10 marks for each question answered correctly and deducted by 5 marks for each wrong answer. The minimum score he got was 65 marks. Okay, so keyword di sini adalah minimum. Okay, kita tengok balik nota tadi. Okay, minimum, where is minimum? Minimum, okay, lebih besar atau sama dengan. Okay, maksud dia paling sikit dia boleh dapat adalah 65. So dia mesti dapat 65 ke atas. Itu maksud ayat tu. Okay, so kita boleh katakan, okay, contoh mana tadi? Okay, saya highlightkan. Okay, yang correct dan wrong. Ada dua jenis di situ. Okay, for example, correct saya tulis sebagai X, wrong sebagai Y. Okay, so there are 10 marks for each question answered correctly. So kita ada 10 X. Okay, minus, kalau salah tolak 5 markah kan, so minus 5 Y. Minimum, simbol dia adalah lebih besar atau sama dengan, okay, 65. Okay, next. Okay, number 5. The total bank savings dividend received by Jasnita last year was a maximum of 550. Okay, so keyword di situ maximum. Okay, so maximum macam mana bentuk dia? Tengok balik. Okay, maximum less or equal. Okay, so maximum less or equal. Form her saving at 2 banks. So ada 2 banks. Okay, so kita labelkan X dan Y lah. Okay, Bank Toulouse and Bank S. Okay, Bank Toulouse has given a dividend of 5%, while Bank S has given a dividend of 4.5%. Okay, so kita labelkan Bank Toulouse sebagai X, Bank S sebagai Y. So we have, so X, how much the dividend? How many dividend? 0.05x plus 0.045y. Okay, maximum is less or equal to 550. Okay, so far boleh. Okay, so let's move to the next part. Okay, solve the following. Okay, okay, so basically this is for the standard pembelajaran 6.12. Okay, okay, so let's look at the example. Okay, determine whether the point 52 satisfy these inequalities. Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, kita kena check satu-satu. Okay, so okay, for example kita ada y is equals to x plus 4. Okay, sekarang kita cuba tengok koordinat kita. Kita ada x and kita ada y. Okay, sekarang cuba masukkan. Okay, y is 2. Kita masukkan 2 di kiri. Okay, lepas tu bila y 2, x kita 5 kan. So sini 5 tambah 4 dapat 9. Okay, boleh Okay, sekarang 2 adalah lebih kecil daripada 9. Betul tak? Okay, hence, okay, point 52 satisfy, okay, y less than x plus 4. Boleh? So di sini dia bagi 3 equation and 2 inequalities. Okay, so dia nak kita check, okay, sama ada, okay, titik ini memenuhi yang mana satu. Boleh? Okay, kita tengok contoh yang sebelah dia pula. Okay, determine whether the point, okay, negative 3, 0. So kita ada x and y. Okay, so y masukkan dalam jadual ni 0. Okay, so when y is 0, x is negative 3. So gantikan negative 3 pada x di sini. Okay, so when we substitute the value of x equals to negative 3, and we will get negative 7. Okay, and we know that 0 is larger than negative 7. Okay, so hence point negative 3, 0 satisfy, Okay, more than. Kita ambil equation yang ada more than. Okay. Okay, di sini saya akan tunjukkan satu contoh untuk awak. Okay, so dalam soalan ini, okay, kita ada X and Y. Okay, so the value of Y is 4. So kita tulis 4 di sini. Okay, so when Y is 4, X is equals to 1. Okay, so kita gantikan. So 3 times 1 minus 2. So 3 darab 1, 3 tolak 2, 1. So it's equals to 1. And we know that 4 is larger than 1. Okay, so hence point 1, 4. Okay, sekejap, besar pula dia punya ni. Sama je, ya. Okay, 1, 4 satisfies. Equation inequalities y more than 3x minus 2. Okay, boleh? Mudah je kan? Okay, so nombor 2, nombor 3 and nombor 4. Okay, I want you to try it yourself. Okay, next. Apa yang awak kena tahu, okay, dalam chapter ini, okay, if you have these two symbols, okay, more than or equal or less than or equal, when we draw the graph, okay, you will use the solid straight line. Penuh macam ni. Bila dia sama dengan, when there is a equal sign, okay, your line will be solid. Okay, but if you only have more than or less than without the equal sign, okay, you will draw it as a dotted straight line. Okay, kalau ada sama dengan garis penuh. Kalau tak ada sama dengan garis putus. Okay, next. Okay, shaded region. Okay, if you have more or equal ataupun more greater than, okay, you will shade above or right side of the line. Okay, sama juga, same goes with if you have less than symbols, okay, you will shade below or left side of the line. Okay, boleh? Okay, let's look at the example. Okay, so you have 3 examples over here. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Okay, over here you have less than and equal. Okay, so bila ada less than or equal, okay, tengok solid line, betul? Solid line yang digaris, dan less than kita akan shaded below the line. Okay, next, more than, no equal sign. Okay, so you will draw it as dotted line. Okay, so more than awak akan shaded belah kanan. Tengok je dia punya simbol ni kan. Simbol dia ke sana, so kita shade pun ke sana. Macam ni simbol ni ke kiri, kita lorekkan ke bawah belah kiri ni. Okay, yang ni pun sama. Okay, Y is more or equal. Okay, so kita ada solid line. Okay, lebih besar. Okay, so for untuk case ini, kita lorekkan ke belah atas. Ingat Okay. Okay, nak saya ulang balik. Okay, kalau kita ada, okay, untuk yang ini, okay, kalau boleh kita cuba ubah dulu dalam bentuk general form, lagi mudah. Okay, so general form we have y less or equal than negative x plus 2. Okay, so less than, okay, kita lorekkan bahagian bawah. Okay, kalau y more than, kita lorekkan bahagian atas. Okay, boleh? Okay, so let's try the first question. Okay, So first, okay, we have y is more than negative x plus 1. More than, okay, more than. So kita lorek ke bahagian atas. Okay. Okay, boleh. Okay, next, okay, y is less than negative x. So less than, so kita lorek bahagian bawah. Okay. Bawah sini. Okay. Lebih cantik-cantik lah. Okay, boleh. Okay, next. Okay, x is less than 1. Okay, nampak tak? Tak ada equal sign, so dotted line. So, x is less than 1, so to the left. Okay. Okay, this part. Okay. Okay, for number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I want you to try it yourself. Okay. Okay, next we have D. Okay, draw a straight line and shade the region that satisfies the following inequalities. Okay, so okay, the question will only give you this inequalities. Okay, so awak kena lukis sendiri dia punya line, kemudian shadekan dia punya region. Okay, look at this. Okay, step 1, create a table. Okay, place two values of x. Okay, example 0, 2 for example. Then calculate the value of y for the equation y is equals to x minus 2. Kita buat dulu dua table. Okay, for example kita letaklah 0, 2. Okay, so bila kita tukar, masukkan dalam equation ni, we will get, okay, when x equals to 0, y equals to negative 2. When x equals to 2, y is equals to 0. Okay, then step 2, plot both coordinate based on the table in 1. Next, determine the type of straight line. Okay, solid or dotted. Ni kita tengok balik yang atas ni tadi. Okay, this one ada equal signs. So, straight line kita adalah solid. Okay, and final one, determine the direction of the shade based on the symbols of inequalities. More than, so ke belah atas. Okay, so tengok sini. Koordinat ni tadi 0, negative 2, 2, 0 dia dah plotkan. Okay, lepas tu dia buat satu garis. Okay, solid line because this is ada sama dengan. Okay, next, more than, so kita lorekkan ke atas. Boleh? Okay, now, okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, number 1. Okay, so number 1, okay, dia kata apa tadi? Okay, kita cuba buat satu table. Okay, so we have x and y. Okay, for example, saya ambil 20. Okay, so saya ada ni y is equals to x plus 2. Okay, so when x equals to 2, okay, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Next, when x equals to 0, 0 plus 2, y is equals to 2. Okay, so kita ada dua koordinat. The first one is 2, 4. The second one is 0, 2. Okay, so kita plotkan. Okay, so the first one is 2, 4. 2, 4 is over here. Okay, next 0, 2. 0, 2 is over here. Okay, so bila dah ada, okay, kita boleh cantumkan, lukis garis lurus. For example, I'm using blue lah, blue. Okay, so from here, Okay, so this is the straight line y equals to x plus 2. Okay, di sini saya lukis solid line because there is a equal sign over here. Okay, so next apa lagi kita check? Okay, tengok simbol ni, less than. So if less than, kita going to shade atas ke bawah. Lebih besar atas, lebih kecil bawah. So kita shadekan bahagian bawah. Bahagian bawah ni lah. Okay, contoh saya shade macam ni. Okay, clear? Okay, so next number, I'm going to show you number 2. Okay, so sama, kita kena buat table. Okay, draw a table, just a small one. So x, y, ataupun kita boleh tulis sini, for example 0, 0. Okay, next method. Okay, so we're going to draw for y equals to 1 minus 2 x. Okay, when x equals to 0, 2 times 0, y is equals to 1. Next, when y is equals to 0, okay, when y equals to 0, kita ada 1 minus 2x. 2x equals to 1, x equals to 1 over 2. Tak cantik kan value dia kan? Setengah. Kita cuba pakai nombor lain lah. Tak nak lah nombor perpuluhan. Okay, nanti susah kita nak plot. Okay, for example, kita guna di sini 1. Okay, so when x equals to 1, okay, we have 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Okay, next kita plotkan coordinate. So over here we have 0, 1. Next one we have 1, negative 1. So 0, 1 is over here. Okay, 0, 1. Next 1, negative 1 over here. Okay, next, okay, kita nak decide putus-putus ke penuh. Okay, tengok garis ni, tak ada, there is no equal sign. So your line should be dotted line. Okay, so kita cuba, saya pakai warna merah lah. Okay, okay. Okay, apa dia tak berubah? Okay, sekejap saya lukis balik. Alamak. Okay, dotted line. Mana tadi point dia 0, 1. Okay, over here 0, 1. And then 1, negative 1. 1, negative 1 over here. Okay. Okay, something like that. Okay, boleh. Okay, next, the sign is more than, more than. So, kita lorekkan ke bahagian atas. So, over here. Okay, boleh. Okay, so next, okay, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, saya nak awak cuba sendiri. Okay, ada problem, boleh tanya saya lah. Okay, okay, so 6.2. Okay, dah. So I think that's all for today. Okay, so kita dah cover subtopic 6.1. Okay, so saya harap awak boleh lengkapkan latihan hari ini. Okay, if you have any problem, just ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay, Next class, we're going to look into the new subtopic 6.2, system of linear inequalities into variables. Okay, so saya harap awak fahamkan betul-betul apa yang kita belajar hari ini 6.1, sebab awak akan gunakan benda tu dalam subtopik seterusnya. Okay, so kena faham betul-betul lah 6.1. Kalau tak faham nanti susah sikit kita nak buat 6.2. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.